Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your go-to channel for everything Jeep lifestyle, mods, and off-road adventures. Today, we're diving into the best suspension lift kits for Jeep Wrangler, from budget-friendly options to premium upgrades. We'll cover what you need to know before hitting the trails. So buckle up, because this is going to be one bumpy ride, in the best way possible. Number 5. ReadyLift 69 to 6409 Suspension 4.0-inch Lift Kit. The ReadyLift 69 to 6409 Suspension Lift Kit is a premium 4.0-inch upgrade built for 2007 to 2016 Jeep Wrangler JK models. Unlike basic lift kits, this package comes with 8 heavy-duty control arms and SST 3000 shocks, making it a more complete and performance-oriented suspension solution. Jeep enthusiasts love this kit for its combination of rugged durability and ride quality. The SST 3000 shocks improve handling both on and off-road, reducing body roll while giving better stability during climbs and descents. The inclusion of upgraded control arms also ensures proper alignment and geometry, something budget kits often lack. While installation is more advanced and may require professional help, the results speak for themselves. Once fitted, the Jeep not only looks more aggressive but also feels smoother on highways and more confident over rough terrain. It's a solid choice for Jeep owners seeking long-term performance and durability. Number 4. Rough Country 3.5-inch Lift Kit. The Rough Country 3.5-inch Lift Kit is a versatile upgrade for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited models. It offers a near-ideal height for fitting up to 35-inch tires, giving your Jeep the aggressive stance and off-road clearance that serious adventurers crave. This kit features coil springs, control arm drop brackets, sway bar links, and track bar brackets, ensuring that your suspension geometry remains properly aligned. Jeep owners frequently note that the 3.5-inch lift provides noticeable improvement in off-road handling without sacrificing daily driving comfort. Installation is moderately challenging, but many users with mechanical experience manage to complete it at home. Once installed, the Jeep feels more stable over rocky trails, mud runs, and uneven paths. It's an excellent middle ground option for drivers who want more than an entry-level lift but don't want the extremes of a 4-inch or larger kit. Number 3. Rough Country 4-inch Lift Kit. If you're serious about off-roading, the Rough Country 4-inch Lift Kit is designed for Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited owners who want maximum ground clearance and room for bigger tires. Compatible with 2007 to 2018 Unlimited models, this kit significantly enhances your Jeep's off-road capabilities. The 4-inch lift includes upgraded coil springs, control arm brackets, and sway bar links, making it more robust than smaller lift kits. Owners rave about its ability to handle rocky trails, deep mud, and steep climbs without compromising too much on-road comfort. Many report that after installation, their Jeeps feel like true off-road machines ready for any challenge. This lift kit is ideal for Jeep enthusiasts who plan to customize further with oversized tires, skid plates, or heavy-duty bumpers. While the installation is more involved and may require professional help, the end result is a Jeep with commanding presence and adventure-ready suspension. Number 2. Rough Country 3.25-inch Lift Kit. For Jeep Wrangler JK 4-door owners, the Rough Country 3.25-inch Lift Kit offers the perfect blend of ride height and off-road capability. Specifically designed for 2007 to 2018 4-door models, this kit gives your Jeep a more aggressive look while improving clearance for up to 35-inch tires. This kit includes front and rear coil spring spacers, sway bar links, and shock relocation brackets, providing everything needed to upgrade both aesthetics and performance. Jeep owners often highlight that the ride quality remains comfortable on highways, while off-road trails feel smoother thanks to the added clearance. The 3.25-inch lift is ideal for those who want to push their Jeep a little further into rugged terrains without going overboard. It strikes a balance between practicality and performance, making it a great daily driver upgrade with solid off-road enhancements. Number 1. Rough Country 2.5-inch Lift Kit. The Rough Country 2.5-inch Lift Kit is a solid entry-level choice for Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door owners looking for a reliable lift without breaking the bank. Designed specifically for 2007 to 2018 models, it offers improved ground clearance and allows you to fit larger tires for more adventurous trails. This kit includes coil spring spacers, sway bar links, and shock relocation brackets, making it a complete solution for off-road upgrades. Many Jeep owners praise it for maintaining factory ride quality while providing the extra clearance needed for off-road fun. Installation is relatively straightforward, and most users report being able to install it at home with basic tools. It's perfect for Jeepers who want a balanced mix of on-road comfort and off-road toughness without going too extreme on height. The lift is not overwhelming, but it makes a noticeable difference in handling rocky paths, mud, and uneven trails. Thanks for watching another episode of Adventure Jeep. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and off-road tips. Drop a comment below telling us which lift kit you'd choose for your Wrangler. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep modding, and keep the adventure alive with Adventure Jeep.